In this video, we want to talk a little bit about chart management and chart control. We have several methods of switching between charts. First, simply click on the stock symbol that you're interested in, and as you can see, the view switches to that chart. You can also rotate through the stock list by clicking the up and down arrows on your keyboard. Or third, you can click the chart banner, which will rotate through the charts individually. Alternatively, you can click the Cascade button in the upper right-hand corner of any chart, which allows you to see all of the charts in your chart book simultaneously. To scale and scroll the chart, we have a number of different scaling and scrolling options. You'll notice that the right-hand price bar as well as the lower date bar have a dashed line separating them. If your mouse cursor is on one side of the dashed line and you click and drag, you'll get one motion, whereas if you put your mouse cursor on the other side of the line, you'll get a different motion. We also provide arrows, along with plus and minus signs that give you the ability to scroll and scale the chart in and out. Also, if you right-click the chart, you see a pop-up menu that gives the ability to make a few quick changes to your chart. Here we have quick access to change the price bar type. We also have proportional width, which simply brightens the bars. Another charting feature is this little price bar icon right here. This is called the center chart button. So if you ever get your chart too far out of scale, a quick way to bring your chart back to center is to simply click this button. This also turns on auto scale, which will keep the chart centered and moving forward until you manually scale the chart once again, which are indicated by these small arrows along the side and bottom of the chart margin. You can adjust the margins by dragging these arrows to your desired location. Earlier in the video, we talked about multi-chart view. Before I let you go, I want to cover just a bit more about how to manage these charts. By clicking the Cascade icon in the upper right corner of the chart, you'll notice this puts all of our charts on the screen at once in what we refer to as mini mode. The number of charts you have open will determine the size of each chart. Like a game of tiles, you can change chart locations on the screen simply by clicking on the chart and dragging it to its newly desired location. If we have a large number of charts in our watch list, we can minimize some of them by clicking the minimize icon in the upper right corner. Notice that the chart is still active in your list, but it's been ghosted. To bring it back, simply double-click on it, which brings it back full screen. Click the Cascade button once again to reinsert it back into the mini chart mode view.